Continue to improve and make it a good event. So we plan on trying to stay somewhere similar to where we're at, trying to make what we currently have here bigger and around the next time next year. So if we can count on y'all's support, I would greatly appreciate that. We give everybody, there's a brochure going around, and we have 3 platinum sponsors that were very significant in helping us to raise the money that we done. We made the money for our scholarship before we ever kicked off here Friday. We had WW Sod and Equipment Company. I think Doug, he's already gone, Doug Ward, Gary Bell. BH Tucker Real Estate and Tucker Group, and also Terry and Melissa McKay from Custom Graphics. I think Terry's still here?
He'll be back.
He'll be back, okay. We got a few things for those platinum sponsors, and if y'all could patronize them, we'd greatly appreciate that. All right, we're going to go ahead and get into our winners. Our cornhole tournament winners was first place was Down and Dirty, and second place was Gator Dogs. Our Airboat Best in Show today, first place goes to Jimmy Howe. Come on up, we got a banner for you, Jimmy. We got little Charles Murphy taking pictures, so hang on. Love you, son. All right, our best in show with Buggy was Frank DiCarlo. Our People's Choice. We sent out a pork butt to as many of the cook teams as we had pork butts for, and everybody cooked a pork butt and supplied it, and then we fed the people, the spectators that come by here, and they tried all the pork butts, and then they picked one. I think we had 16 entries. They picked one of the pork butts that they liked the best, and then we counted those votes at the end of the day. And the winner of the People's Choice pork butt today was Honey Badger BBQ. All right, the 50-50 winner was my oldest son, Corey Stephen. It was a total of $361, and he donated, I think, the majority of that back. All right, with the barbecue competition, we've done some fun things. We've done Friday night. We've done an anything but, which consists of anything you want to cook other than chicken, pork ribs, brisket, or pork butt. And we turned them in, and then we tasted it, tested it, and with several judges. And the third place winner in anything but, with a seafood platter, was Honey Badger BBQ. Second place, anything but, with a flowery drink, was Big Country BBQ. And first place with a filet mignon is Smoking Pink BBQ. Alright, then we went into the next competition, was called Anything Sweet. So it's kind of hard to compare, you know, something seafood against something that's sweet. So we had several entries in that, and third place winner with a chocolate lasagna was Mullis Meat Making. Second place with a Smoking Pink Dirt, Smoking Pink Barbecue.
They gave us this much money. I didn't eat. I have twice. I didn't eat that.
All right, in first place, y'all should have seen this. Somebody's got some pictures. We're talking about opening the Facebook and putting this stuff on there so everybody can see it. But the winner of the Anything Sweet was the Pink Pig Cake from Big Country BBQ.
Yeah. Going fire. 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 Fire.
All right, the next competition we went to was the barbecue sauces. We had, I think there was 11 entries in the barbecue sauce. Third place winner in the barbecue sauces was Confederate Smoke. Second place with barbecue sauces was Mullis Meat Making. All right, first place with their chicken barbecue sauce was Confederate Smoke. All right, I talked about some pictures a while ago, and there was only 6 entries in this category, but these are probably some of the best pictures. And do yourself a favor and look at them soon. But it was in the beer can chicken category. Third place was 3C barbecue. Second place, beer can chicken, Mullis Meat Making. And they've been trying to do it for a while, and they've finally done it. Honey Badger BBQ. ran, I think, 6 competitions to get this done.
Good job, Brandon.
Alright, I don't know how many of y'all have been out here to this facility before, but one fella I want to recognize before we get out of here is Matt Daugherty. Matt runs the facility out here and he's done everything he can to make our stay here comfortable and appease us. Matter of fact, he left last night, we missed the lights and he come back from supper and turned them on for us. So thank you, Matt. Matt's back there. Everybody. All right, the next competition we go into is today's events. Today's events consisted of chicken turned in at 11, pork ribs at 12, pork butt at 1, and then brisket at 2. We've done a separation this year. In our first year of doing this, we've done a backyard division and an open class. The backyard division is those men and women that just want to cook on a regular charcoal and wood grill. And then the open division was the folks that want to cook on a pellet grill or those gravity-fed grills with electronics and those kind of things. Nothing any better. They're just a little bit more, technical, if you will. So we'll go into the backyard chicken division winners. Third place winner was What You Want BBQ. These fellas struggled with the pop-up last night. I didn't think they were going to make it through. Second place in the chicken division, 3D Ice. And first place in the chicken division, I don't know who left the gate open, but Glaze County Sheriff's Office. I checked this score, I checked this score, I tried to erase this score.
I have not defended.
But they left their sheriff on that side of the river.
Y'all getting a speeding ticket when they leave, ain't
Yes, they are. A long way to the river bridge.
Good job, good job.
All right, the next category we're going to go into is the rib division. Third place in the backyard rib division, the Smokeaholics. Second place, backyard rib division, BAMF, BBQ. First place in the rib division, backyard, 3D Ice. All right, our next category, pork butts. Third place, backyard division, pork butt, BAMF. Second place, pork butt, backyard division, 3D Ice. First place, Pork Bud, Backyard Division, EWS BBQ. Don't tell him that. All right, the last meet in the Backyard Division is the brisket. Third place, BAMF. Second place, brisket winners, HKS BBQ.
Way to go, Grant!
Good job! Nobody really? Oh, come on! Good job!
And while I got him here, just hang on just a second. This is one of the reasons why we're here. Brand is our first recipient to our scholarship 2 years ago. He graduated last year from the police academy, and we hired him May 1st. Of course, it's just as a civilian. We're working him in the jail right now, but he'll be a road deputy hopefully sometime this year. But he's the reason why we're doing what we're doing in OL's name. And his other partner was our second recipient. He had to go to prom with his girlfriend, so he had to dash the priorities. So the young man knows it well. First place, brisket, Backyard Division, Blaze County Sheriff. As soon as I find who left the gate open. Alright, then what we do is we take those that competed in all 4 meet categories, we combine all the scores. We come up with a second place, which is called reserve, and then the grand champion of those 4 events. In the Backyard Division, and this year's OL Raulerson Scholarship Fund, the reserve grand champion in the Backyard Division belongs to the Blaze County Sheriff's Office.
Junior got it. Junior got it.
Yeah!
All right, thank you. Good job. All right, the high score of all 4 meet events in today's category in the Backyard Division, winner of the grand champion Backyard Division is 3DI.
Good job.
And I think the winner of our buggy event just showed up. Frank DiCarlo, come up here, Frank, get a picture, please. All right, now we're spinning off into our open division. Winner, third place winner in the chicken division is Craig, BBQ.
Picture.
Second place, Open Division, Chicken, Big Country BBQ.
You always get a dog.
Good job.
First place, Chicken, Open Division, Southern Style BBQ.
Hey, how are you?
I knew it was gonna call.
All right, second category was Rib Division, third place in the Rib Division, Southern Style BBQ.
Buggies. Because
Second place, Rib Division, Honey Badger BBQ. First place, Rib Division, Big Country BBQ. Third place, Pork Butt, Southern Style BBQ. Second place, Pork Butt, Blitzkrieg BBQ. First place, Pork Butt, Confederate Smoke.
second call. Mama? That was our
Brisket, Open Division, third place winner, Pig In or Pig Out.
Good job, Sam.
Who even knows?
Second place, Brisket, Open Division, Honey Badger BBQ. First place, Brisket, Open Division, Mullis Meatmaker. Reserve Grand, Open Division, Big Country BBQ.
Come on. Remember?
Overall grand champion for the Open Division, Confederate Smoke. That's all we got. We got a few t-shirts left over that we want to sell. We appreciate everybody's support. Look to see everybody next year. Thank you.